Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials so you can act fast. First, make sure your PS5 system software is up to date and the console has room to install updates. Next, power cycle the router and modem, unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in because many transient issues clear immediately. If possible, plug the PS5 into Ethernet to rule out Wi-Fi. Finally, note the PS5 IP, SSID, and signal strength so you can make targeted changes next. Once done with basics, adjust network settings to stabilize connections. Assign a manual IP on the PS5 or reserve it in your router to prevent conflicts. This keeps NAT steady. Change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8. 8. 8 for faster resolution, and if you see packet loss, reduce MTU to 1400 to improve delivery. For multiplayer and party features, forward necessary ports or enable UPnP on the route. You're almost done. Validate everything with tests and clean resets. Run settings network test internet connection and observe speed, NAT type, latency, and packet loss. This tells you whether issues remain. If problems persist, reset only the PS5 network settings and reconfigure, then reboot the router firmware and retest after each change. One key troubleshooting tip: if upstream sync or frequent disconnects continue, contact your ISP and try a mobile hotspot briefly to determine whether the problem is local or provider side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.